Hey guys, welcome back to Trading Card Cave. Today we've got the Rookie Card Explosion Box Volume 34. Two cards you see here were from the Rookie Card Explosion Box. This one I pulled 2 years ago. This one just came back from PSA. Both action variations from Topps Heritage. I don't even know what's in this month's subscription. Maybe we can get another action variation. Let's see. Somebody already pulled a nice big auto and some other big card. Let's see here. Update Bowman Draft, Series 2, Heritage Minor League. We can get a Wander Franco maybe. 19 update, 20 Chrome, 20 Heritage High number. Series 1, and then Bowman Chrome. All right, so let me get these peanuts out of here. No 80s packs or 90s packs in this one. So I'm gonna go newest to oldest. Let's see, 2021 Bowman. Here we go. We're looking for Hernandez, Diaz, Rodriguez, Acosta, and Vera. Possible autographs too. Patino. There's a purple coming up. Spencer Howard rookie. And a Shalin Polanco. First Bowman numbered to 250. That's a nice card. Do not know if he's good or not. He plays for the Pirates, so I mean, I hate to say it, but with all likelihood, the Pirates aren't that good. Manning and Tyler Freeman. Before I continue, how about those Braves? Up 2-0 on the Dodgers because of some heroics and some dumb base running, but I'll take it. 2020 Series 1 baseball, or Topps, excuse me. Bichette, Alvarez, and Arizarena. How about Arizarena stealing home on the shift by the Red Sox? AJ Puck. If any of you guys collect AJ Puck, I do have a red Topps Chrome Refractor rookie of his, PSA 9, numbered to 5. If you're interested, message me. Message me on Instagram, message me on YouTube, whatever. I'm selling it. I don't collect Puck. He could have a bright future, but I don't collect them, or the A's. I used to collect the A's back when the Bash Brothers, Ricky Henderson, Dave Parker, McGuire, Canseco, Jacob I can't say that one. Mikey Trout, Reyes, and a doll. 2020 Heritage High number. Here's where we're looking for a Luis Robert. Maybe we can get a refractor or a action variation. We'll see. Got these black borders. Nope, no refractor. Jacoby Jones. Out Navarez. Wheeler. There's a Robert. That is not the rookie that you want, but it's still a rookie. Peak Performers. Oop. There we go. Barreto. Sizik. Beeks. Oop. And then a Jonathan Hernandez rookie. All right. 2020 Topps Chrome, Robert, Bichette, Alvarez, and Arizarena again. This guy in the back is pretty good too. He's not a power hitter, but he's definitely a hitter for average. Gavin Lux. He had a decent wild card round or divisional series. Lindor, Graterol. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's a refractor. We'll sleeve that up. And this guy right here, he's definitely a hitter. 334 last year, 92 games. He's definitely hit above 300 almost every year he's been playing professional baseball. So next up, 19 update, looking for Tatis, Guerrero, Riley, and Rogers. I'm looking for Riley. Okay, Austin Riley. He had the, I think he had the game-winning hit in game 2. Freddie Galvis, Jackson rookie, Peter Lambert, Castillo, Soroka. There's a Topps 150 years stamp. It's a little rare, not too rare. Holland, Romalto, Sesse, Mookie Betts, and Zach Britton. 19 Heritage Minor League, looking for Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Robert, Kalinick, and Jonathan India. Oh, no color. Now they do have color swaps and all these weird things with these. There's a Lewis. Dang. It's a Kyle Lewis, no. Kyle Lewis and Luis Robert box. These cards aren't worth too much. I'm sure in a Gem Mint 10 you could get, I don't know, 40, maybe 50 bucks out of that, but I'm not going to grade that. Hernandez, Kinzer. I think he's highly prospected that I can remember. And that's it. I'll have to check to see if there's any. Check the numbers on the back down here. Check the last 3 numbers, and I'll let you know if there's like a color swap or a variation if you're unsure. 2015 Topps Series 2, looking for Chris Bryant. RJ Alvarez, Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, Dyson, wrong pile, Ozuna, a gold Randall, whatever, number to 2015, John Hamm, the actor, Joe Fanick, Future Stars, Melky Cabrera, and Chase Headley. All right, 2 more packs. Bowman Draft 2014, looking for Devers, Jimenez, Turner, Bryant, Chapman, Verdugo, Schwarber, and Flaherty. I'll take Jimenez. I'd like a Jimenez. There's a Michael Kopech. I think he's still waiting to be called up. I don't remember. He might have been called up already. Oh, here comes a green. Spencer Adams. Daniel Gossett, green. Number to 150. Not sure about that guy. He's not on the list, but he might be a serviceable reliever. And then we have Derek Fisher, first Bowman. Kyle Freeland, first Bowman. And a Gavin LaValle, first Bowman. Be cool to be on one of those. Lastly, we have 13 update. We're looking for Arenado, Yelich, and Garrett Cole. Lariano, Gregerson, Bard. Oops. Well, we have a Shelby Miller mini insert rookie. Black. Strope. Corey Kluber. Lannon. Gorzolini. And Fegley. Josh Fegley. You're my last guy. So that does it. Okay, box. Green Gossett, Kyle Lewis, Minor League, Robert, and Shaylin Polanco. That'll do it, guys. If you're looking for a giveaway, give me some ideas. I've got plenty of things to give away. I'm just trying to rack my brain on what to give away and how to give it away. We've got baseball and basketball. So let me know what you think would be good for a giveaway. And I'll do it if it's a good idea. All right, have a good night. God bless. Good luck ripping.